Hi, it's Naomi from Timeshare Explorers with another Vacation Club resort tour. Before I start this tour, I'd like to say a huge thank you to DVC Shop for sponsoring us here at Disney Vacation Club on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. If you're looking to purchase or sell a DVC contract, rent points for a trip to a DVC property, or rent your points out, DVC Shop is your one-stop shop for all things DVC. Their channel, website, and Facebook page is linked in the description below. During this resort tour, I'm going to show you the pool area at the main resort and then the beach area. First, we're going to take a look at the Big Dipper feature pool. The pool is very spacious. The slide is a lot of fun. There's plenty of seating throughout the area. Whether you're looking for seating under shade or out in the sun, there's plenty of choices all around. We've been to a lot of resorts and a lot of pool areas at the resorts, and what I really enjoy about Disney is the amount of lifeguards that they have at all of their pools, unless otherwise stated. This pool specifically had a lot of lifeguards and cast members all around, so I felt very safe having my kids play in the pool and knowing that not only am I watching them, but there are other lifeguards around watching my kids as well. Right now at the DVC Resort, we are post-COVID, and they're doing some sort of reservations. So you give your phone number and they will let you know when you and your family can come out to the pool area, just to keep the crowd levels down. It is a bit of an inconvenience, but I think all in all, they're doing a really great job on helping to keep everybody safe. They're still doing a lot of activities throughout the resort, and they're really trying to get everything sort of back to normal. Right here, we're coming up to their kiddie pool area with two really cute frogs that spit water into the little kiddie area. It's just a really fun pool area. Now we're going to come and move over to the beach house. I'm first going to show you the handicap accessible walkway to the beach here at Disney's resort. The Disney Vacation Club Resort is not actually located on the beach, so it's actually across the street from the resort. You would have to either drive over in your own car, or Disney does have a shuttle, a free shuttle that will take you over there. It goes back and forth throughout the day. What I love about the Hilton Head beaches is that you can see so many different wildlife on the beach. So it ranges from sea turtles to crabs to starfish, and then you even get to see dolphins out there in the water. While we were visiting, we saw dolphins probably every other day when we would go out to the beach. Something really nice about the beach house is that when you plan your day out there, you don't really have to go back to the main resort unless you really want to go relax in the room. There is a pool on this property, there's a restaurant, there's picnic tables, they're having activities at the pool area, you have the beach, and everything really is here for you to spend an entire day. Now, as we enter the beach house, it's important to note that in order to get into this area, you do need to have your room key. So do not forget that in the car or in a bag that you misplaced. No cast member will admit you onto the property without your room key. You really need to be able to scan that and it will give you access. So here we are on the pool deck. We are one story above. Underneath this is the parking garage. Here you can see the pool has lap lanes, and it's actually a fairly large size pool. Again, we got here early in the morning, right when it opened, so there wasn't anybody here yet. Plenty of seating throughout the area, whether you want a lounge chair or you'd like shade or sun, or you'd like to go sit at a 4-seater or 5-seater, they are all available for your use. I'm going to now take you into the Surfman Station. It's an air-conditioned lounge that is available for your use. It was very nice, homey, and cozy here. You can take out board games, you can play with your family, you can just sit back and enjoy a book. There is a television on the other side of this pillar that's in the middle. The decorations are really just spot on. It really makes you feel like you're in a little resort town, which in essence you are, but it kind of takes you back in time. Across from Signals is Shadow's Seaside Sandbox, which is an activity center, and next to that is a full bar. While we were here, it wasn't open yet, but we visited early in the morning. When ordering from Signals, you have to come over to the bar to place your drink order as well as your food order. The menus have plenty to choose from, and the food selection looks great. You can also get your mugs refilled here at the bar. Over off to the side of Signals are some table games like foosball and ping pong. And over by Shadow's Seaside Sandbox there is a pool table. Up ahead are the towel closets that are here for your use. There's also bathrooms with full showers and areas to get ready so you don't need to leave the beach house all wet or sandy. Right here by the entrance, there's a large board with today's happenings, and everything is listed on it, whether the activity or event is here at the beach house or the main resort. If you exit down the southeast stairs, there will be an outdoor shower and then another walkway down to the beach. It's all very private and secluded. Around the east side of the beach house, there are picnic tables and an entrance to the parking garage. So if you get there and want to head straight out to the beach, you don't have to go up to the beach house first. This parking garage is fairly large, but there's more parking out front if you can't find any space here in the garage. That's it for this tour of Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort Pool and Beach House. Look for our next video of the main resort grounds. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified of all our new videos. Thanks for exploring with us.